Agentforce is a set of tools like Agent Studio, Agent Builder, Atlas Reasoning Engine, and a suite of autonomous and assistive agents that are created with Agentforce tools. Now, there are some prerequisites like enabling Einstein AI and adding specific permission sets. Once you turn them on, you should see the Agent Studio in the setup menu. Agent Studio is your go-to space for designing conversational AI experiences. Click New to create an agent. You can create more than one. Now, the reason for that is imagine a company like Nike with sister companies like Jordan and Converse. Now, they are different businesses and probably cannot share an agent. Once you create the agent, open it in the Agent Builder. When you land in the Agent Builder, the first thing you notice is the topics panel. For this simple example agent, I have three topics. I have order management, global instructions, and escalation instructions. Topics are the job that you want the agent to be able to do. The way you should think of topics is they are like groupings or buckets of functionality that represent a job to be done. So a topic could be order management, order support, returns, troubleshooting access issues. I provide a detailed classification description on what type of request should this topic be used to address. What is the boundaries or job description of this topic? Your job is only to answer questions related to a customer's order status or return status and return policy. And scope says what the topic is able to do. By defining what topics I want the agent to handle, I have effectively also said everything else is off the topic. If I have topics for order management, repairs, general FAQ, and I ask, who is the president of France? It goes by saying it doesn't match to my topics. I can't help you, but I can help you with these three topics. Again, really important when we deploy these agents in digital channels. Instructions. It is a way for you to write natural language instructions for how agents should use actions. So do this first, do this second. Always ask this question. Never do this. It is basically prompt engineering. And it has actions or the tools, the workflows that agent uses to do the job. There are standard actions for searching knowledge, looking up information, or updating data. This is an extension of the Salesforce actions you're likely already familiar with and can be built using Flow, Apex, or prompt templates. For a given topic, agent only has a subset of actions to choose from, which helps it to be more accurate and helps it scale. The way this works in real time is when a message comes in, imagine a customer messaging, help me with my order. It's all Agentforce service agent needs to get to work. It sends the customer's request to a large language model to identify the right topic. In this case, that's order management. The service agent follows the topic instructions to generate a plan of action, and one of these actions is to be able to get the order details. Agentforce executes the plan. It tells me what status the order is in, and it asks me how else can it assist with. Ask the agent to update the shipping address. As per the instructions, the agent wants to verify with additional steps before updating the shipping address. I give the OTP. The agent does the verification and lets me update the shipping address because the order is place status and not shipped or delivered. It calls services like Apex Code and flows and grounds responses with Salesforce business data to provide the necessary context for highest quality outputs. Now, this allows Agentforce Service Agent to generate more precise and tailored responses to answer the customer questions in the end.